ดีค่ะ
Top Geelong glasses shops. Always get my glasses from there. They're actually pretty cheap compared to in Australia. They do it for you there as well. They do your prescription, they do the eye test, they do the works. Heaps cheaper. And good quality too, man. Man, it's noisy here. Back on the main road. 1 block from Sukhumvit Road. Terminal 21. We'll head up towards that way, I think. 7-Eleven. What's this joint, mate? Darky Rodney Margaret the beer. What is this joint? What is this joint? What is that, like Japanese or Korean or something? Not sure what it is. It's a restaurant. Oh yeah. It's like a restaurant. Japanese, Asahi is Japanese, isn't it? Yeah, Tokyo Snow, Fujiyama, yeah. Alright, let's walk across. Which way shall we go? We might actually go across here. Alright, I'll put it on pause. Across these lights. Alright, we're crossing. After about a 5-minute wait at the traffic lights for them to change green for us to walk. Well, there's a lot of traffic, man. Woohoo! Alright. Let's head up here, the back way here. Still down the same area, but just going down this side street here, I think towards Soi 23. By the looks of it, looks like there's some nice shops here. Bank there. Up. Sinai Tower car park. Oh, let's try and get across here. This will be interesting. Alright, here we go. Straight across. Beautiful. Good run. There's some nice restaurants here. What's this joint? In a restaurant there, looks popular. What is this? That's a Kaprao. Oh! Hey, Kaprao's my favourite. Oh, hang on, this will be interesting. Wow. Yes, man, I'm gonna have to do this. We're getting this tonight, theatre guys. Favourite meal. Alright, we're coming back here. The missus will be happy. It's her favourite meal too. Raw Bina, Lebanese food. Wow, I'm looking forward to trying that joint. Pad Thai Chapai. All these little small restaurants. Wow. Pad Cow Burger. Small joint, takeaway joint. Burgers and shit, Mad Cow Burger. Green Day Broccoli Cafe. Yes, broccoli guys, that's what I said. Little chemist on the side here on the corner. So this is Soi 23. Let's see what's down here, Alan. Like just apartments, massage shops, and some restaurants. What's that? A Japanese restaurant over there. Sankai. Sankyu in Asok. A lot of traffic, bloody hell. Tattoo joints, Massage joints. Hotels on the right hand side here. Up there. But, you know, nothing that exciting down here, to be honest. Nail and massage. Cozy hairstyle massage. Cars banked up for a mile on the side street here in Suite 23. Well, that place looks alright, doesn't it? The Raintree Spa. Looks very nice. There you go, foot massage 400 baht, 60 minutes. Traditional massage 400, 60 minutes. Oil massage 800 for 90 minutes, so that's pretty good. It's an hour and a half. Yeah, it looks alright, looks pretty nice and clean and modern. Very nice. Little Hut House of Maloof, is it? Little Hut House of Wally. What is that? Italian restaurant. Okay, is it? Unico 23 Italiano. Interesting. Coffee hut. That looks like a decent coffee shop too, that. Looks new. Sorry about all these bloody cars in the way, guys. Bloody hell. But I'm not walking over there, mate, and getting harassed by you know what.
Me love you long time. Me so horny.
Japanese ramen. That looks nice too. It looks very nice. Japanese ramen shop. Looks pretty good. Massage shops over there again. Massage shops on this side as well. Whiskers, looks like an outside sort of bar and grill. Interesting. This is the Clubhouse Sports Bar and Grill. Looks pretty nice, isn't it? Got your football on there, or your sports. There's your prices, your Leo 120, Singer 120, not too bad. Not great, but you get it cheaper than that, but it depends what you want, mate, and where you want to sit. Alright, Barney's Burgers. Looks quite a nice place. It's a nice street, this actually. Unique. Moon O, Sukhumvit 23, another condo. Look at that. That one looks pretty posh. Very nice. Very nice. Streets are lined with nice trees and stuff. It's like a lot of shade here. Actually quite nice. So Soi 23, guys. If you're looking for some places to stay or the food to eat, there's some good restaurants down here. Come have a look. What's further down here? I think just further up here is, you know, Mr. Cowboy. But we're not walking down there because we're not allowed to. Not allowed to at all. You can't do that. 20 cup. No, thank you. Oh, look at this joint. Nice red. What's this? Alice Scruffy Murphy's Irish Pub. Looks alright, doesn't it? Beautiful paintwork. Looks fantastic from the outside. Looks beautiful. Looks fantastic. Right. Live music playing. Looks nice. Beer garden and smoking area. There's what it looks like on the inside. Have a look in there. Well, it's only half the size of it, only a little bit of it's open. Let's see in there. Alright, let's keep going. Broccoli Club. Places everywhere, man. Completely different street during the daytime. At night, don't go down there on your own. Unless you want to be accosted. This is coming up towards the end of Soi 23. You've got all your drivers here. Waiting for a ride, waiting for a pickup. All in line, behaving themselves. Doing it the right way. So about 50 metres here up on the straight ahead, that's Sukhumvit Road. Go around you there, mate. Might be easier. I think. Another broccoli shop just there. 7-Eleven. Don't you just love that sound? Looks like a good restaurant. Ramen. Shops over there. So Soi 23 is not a bad place, guys. Not a bad street at all. I'll be looking into this one. Quite nice. Alright, I think we'll just walk down here a little bit. I think I've spotted something, and then we'll call it a vid if we can get through. Subway there. I think that's a little shopping complex actually. Yeah, Jasmine City Hotel, and underneath there's a little shopping centre just in there. I don't think it's that good. That is the famous Shell Servo here on the right on Sukhumvit Road. So now you know where Soi 23 is. Oh, we've got Subway here on the left. Little Italy, little Italian restaurant. Just everything you need is in this area. Look at that bottle shop over there, man. Beautiful. Bar. And here we are, guys, back on Sukhumvit Road. Listen to the grinder. Bloody noisy. Look at that car, mate. Bloody hell. Alright, we're going to wrap it up here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed what you saw. Helps me out a lot. And we'll see you in the next one. Heaps more videos coming October, November, December 2024. Bye for now.